How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, my dad and I, along with a couple of my good buddies, my father-in-law, we travel up to the Mississippi River in search of some of those giant perch that river system is known for. My dad and I were able to get out for a few hours on our own the day before our guided trip, and had a lot of fun on Lake Onalaska chasing those perch and some other panfish around. We had to move quite a bit, but once we got on them, we had a really good time out there. And then the next day we went out with Vince and Great River Outdoors on a guided perch trip. If you've never experienced a airboat fishing trip on the Mississippi River, highly recommend Great River Outdoors. They do a fantastic job. Vince works his butt off, even serves you a hot lunch on the ice, so that's always a really fun time. We've been going with them for a couple of years now. So anyway, sit back, enjoy, and let's get to fishing. So the darker shades of blue are deeper. Yeah, it's deeper. So like on that,
just on the other side of this stuff.
Yeah. So I don't know if we like try that over there. Because if you, I mean, those guys are all fishing all those vehicles right there.
Yeah.
That's that deep. There's a deep hole right here.
Yep.
But I mean, that's all like channels and shit in there. So I don't know if like that's good or not. I mean, it stays deep along that whole island around the corner too.
On the back side of it.
Yeah. Yeah, you got this little island that we're out in front of, and then it's all deep. That's that little island that we're looking at right there, but then the big island. So yeah, maybe we just go over there and try that deep edge.
Should certainly be safe enough, I would think, too.
Oh yeah, I'm not worried about that.
Yeah.
But I mean, there's guys fishing the last time we were out there.
Sure, sounds good to me.
Yeah, let's just try over here. Start there and see what happens. Yeah, we should be in the channel. Let's start drilling holes. Look at that perch. Holy cow.
That's a nice perch.
Wow. Wow. Look at that thing. Nice perch, Dad.
Bumps.
The bumps. I thought you might have had a bass on. That's a good start. Man, a lot of fish looking but not eating. That's why. Let the baby bluegills. Dad catches all the big fish. Baby crappie. Oh, this is not what you come to the Mississippi River for. We are going to need to make an adjustment here. Yeah, we might have to boogie. Yeah. At least we know what used to live there. Couldn't have made it easy on us and catch them here. We're close walk. Of course, they had to tease us, catch a monster right off the bat. I miss the bare ice conditions. Are they out there more? Am I in too shallow? You think so or you know so? Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know about you, but I'm sweating a lot. Really? Come on.
I'll take that one in case you don't have enough battery to do another hole.
So I brought two. I feel like these fish don't go deep at all, but I could be completely wrong. Maybe we'll have to go out to that island.
Try that one first.
I like the way you think. Look at that. Oh, bluegill. That's not what we wanted. That was bigger than any bluegill we caught over there. And it bit right away. That was encouraging. Go, Dad, go. Whoa. Big freaking
Nice
crappie. Holy buckets.
That boy.
Wow. Dad's just going to town on everything today.
Yeah.
Huh. Down at the bottom too?
Yeah. Well, he came up at least a foot off.
Jeez. Huh. Might have to put gold on. Oh. Dang. That was a big one. That was a big one. Start to bite. He's still down there.
Oh, it's a bluegill. Dang. Decent bluegill. Not the target species. Shouldn't have went so far. Another gorgeous perch. There, get it out in the sunlight. Beautiful Mississippi River fish right there. Solid, probably 11, 12 incher. Finally got one jigging. Maybe today's one of the days where live bait will be better than jigging. Oh no. What a perch. What a perch. Look at that thing.
That's a nice one.
Good job, Dad.
Woohoo!
High five the perch. You're just a big perch slayer today.
I am. Look at that.
Man, that's 2 giants you've got.
Whack 'em and smack 'em.
Oh. Let's see what we got here. Probably nothing. Minnow trip. It wasn't the wind. Oh, it took some line. Oh yeah. It's taking line. Hopefully it's not a pike. It's not little. Yep, big perch. Oh yeah, that's what we're after. All right. That is a beautiful Mississippi River jumbo perch right there. That's a gorgeous fish. Nice one.
Those are the ones you want.
God, I wonder if they're gonna fire off tonight like they did that one night. I leave and Dad just starts slaying away again. What you got, Dad? Itty bitty one? You gonna hold them normally?
Huh?
You gonna hold them like an American?
Oh, yeah.
What you got, Dad?
We got us a perch.
Are you gonna be able to hold it? Yeah, look at that. Nice fish. Fool her up. We have a school come through. Not taking any line. Let's see what we got here. Not falling either. Got him. Oh yeah. That's a big fish. Wow. It's a big fish, whatever it is. Huge perch. Oh my gosh. Woo. That is a giant Mississippi River perch right there. Look at that thing. Absolute tank. Wow. That one's over a foot.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that thing. That is a football.
It's a football. And today's a Super Bowl.
I mean, look at that thing.
I know. That's a beautiful fish. That's the nicest one of the day.
Oh yeah. It's dandy bluegill.
Yeah.
Woo.
You can take some shoulders on him.
A pretty one.
Yeah. Real yellow.
Nice job, Jarvis. Put them in her bag.
All you see is a red blob and then your
Right. Looks like it. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Add him to the pile. Oh, I should catch this one.
That's the one I put back. That's just dead sticking.
Yeah, I was texted. Oh, boy, that's still a really nice perch. Well, gorgeous fish. Maybe that's the key, you just gotta dead stick it. Yeah. Dad wants to watch the Super Bowl. Dad, do you want grippers?
No, I got it in my rod bag.
Yeah, see, I got your chairs right here, your rod box.
That's all I need.
Here's our Vexilars.
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
Go-kart thing.
Jerks! What you got, Sally? What you got? Yeah, dude.
I think it's huge.
Dude, that is insane. Jarvis.
There you go.
Oh, no. Oh, I got him. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize that wasn't set. Ugh. Oh, beautiful fish. See, it's nice I gave you that secret jig, wasn't it?
That's right. Yeah. Secret lure, wizard woody. That's a big draw.
That is a monster bluegill. Good lord. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know that I've caught one that size.
Nice job, buddy. Yeah, if one of those goes off, we'll get it. It's all yours.
Okay.
Oh, I got one. Got him. Not a giant. Good eater. On the Widowmaker jig. Dragonfly. Nice perch. Oh. You're going to work. Oh, those are spare fish. Whew. Wow.
Yeah, that's a good one.
What was your reaction when you caught that?
Really got tangled up in my transducer, so it was pop.
Oh, look at the size of that thing. Wow.
Now if he just put another 2 inches,
Do you measure it?
he's like 13. Yeah, that's a big bird.
Oh my god. Look at that thing. That's crazy. How big was your gill?
Just under 10.
Oh. When you set the hook, you make it count. Just take it easy with them, man.
Oh, fuck you.
Yep.
That's bigger than my last one.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Look at that thing.
Oops, swear on your camera.
Yeah, you did it a couple times there, so thanks for that.
Sorry.
Hold that up better.
That bad boy is huge. Grab a plate and a bond or 2 of them.
Wow, you are the man. Thank you. Fucking in. Service on the ice like this.
There's nothing better than warm food.
There's not. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you guys for coming.
Oh god, we appreciate it. Oh, wow, it's good.
That was delicious.
Mm-hmm. So this venison?
It is venison.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, it's really good.
Holy shit.
Get out of there.
What? That is going to do it for this episode. Thank you very much for tuning in, and please remember, if you have not yet, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. We had a wonderful trip with Vince, and we had a great afternoon on our own out on Lake Onalaska. The Mississippi River is such a special place, man. Those perch are just, they're huge. You can get into a lot of them. It's just a really fun bite. Had a little bit of some technology issues with my cameras on our guided trip, and unfortunately I wasn't able to capture a lot of footage. We we probably came home with 15-20 perch in our group. We didn't hammer them by any means, but Vince kind of gave us the option the night before if we wanted to go after some trophy size fish or just a bunch of eaters, and we said we wanted to hunt some trophies, and we definitely caught them.
on our trip with them. So again, if you're looking for a wonderful guide to go out with on the Mississippi River, either in the airboat on the ice or open water, Great River Outdoors, that you got to give them a call and try them out. There's truly no one better, in my opinion, on that river system. So anyway, I really appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody watching. Had a really good time, and until next time, remember, there's never a bad day to go fishing.